Hey guys, I am Anand here and I have renamed my YouTube channel as You Must Know, and here I will be telling you about the things that you must really know about your nation, about your people, about your place, your society and your culture. Guys, this is just to make this lockdown knowledgeable. I am doing all this, and I hope the thumbnail made it clear to you what is there in the video, so please stay tuned. And so guys, before telling you about the relationship between the lockdown and the Amphan cyclone in the Bay of Bengal, I must tell you that almost all the cyclones get their power from the water vapors which are above the oceans. And in the case of Amphan cyclone, I must tell you it is a very huge cyclone, and it became category 1 cyclone to category 5 cyclone in just matter of 8 hours. So guys, it must be getting abundant supply of water vapors. So what is the reason behind this abundant supply of water vapors? There are mainly two reasons. One is the climate change # global warming, and the second one is lockdown. So now you must be wondering that okay, global warming is okay with the water vapors and boiling of oceans, but how lockdown is responsible for boiling of ocean and water vapors? So guys, I will make it all clear to you. Please stay tuned. So guys, in the lockdown which is imposed by the Prime Minister of our country to just curb the pandemic, in this pandemic there is no demand from the people of country, so all industrial and transportational activities had been shut down. As a result of this, there is very less amount of pollution in the country is there. So good elements of the pollution are also absent in the nature. The good elements of pollution are aerosols. Aerosols are nothing but black carbons. These black carbons, they spread in the nature by this pollution, and they get settled over the sky, and they are always present in the atmosphere. So the absence of black carbon in these days is responsible for this abundance of vapors to the cyclone, because this black carbon, they just reflect the sunlight falling on them above and otherwhere in the atmosphere, but they does not make the sunlight reach to the ocean down. So as a result of which, they help in reducing the temperature of the ocean, and less water vapors are formed. So less water vapors mean less power of the cyclone, and they will not strengthen the cyclone. But in the case of Amphan, guys, I told you that it categorized 1 to 5, and it just shifted from there to the 5th category in 8 hours. So it is getting a huge amount of supply of water vapor, and the scientists have told the lockdown is one of the reasons for this. So I hope I made it clear to you guys, and let's hope that government will do its all to contain the Amphan cyclone in the Bay of Bengal in other affected areas, and we can just hope and just can think good for them. And thank you guys. I hope you like the explanation.